Hi everyone, it's Samaport here from Kipu Art Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply transitions to multiple clips at the same time in Premiere Pro. Here I have multiple video and audio clips in the timeline without any transition yet. So firstly I'm going to add the transitions to the video clips at once. To do so, go to the Effect tab, search for any video transition preset you would like to apply. Here I'm going to apply the barn doors transition. Then right click on the transition preset and click set selected as default transition. Now select all of the video clips in the timeline and press Ctrl D. If you see this kind of dialog box appear, just click OK. As you can see, now the video transitions have been applied to all of the video clips. Then let's apply audio transitions to all of the audio clips. So go to the Effect tab, search for any audio transition preset you would like to apply. Here I am going to apply the constant gain transition. Then right click on the transition preset and click set selected as default transition. Now select all of the audio clips in the timeline and press Ctrl Shift D. As you can see, now the audio transitions have been applied to all of the audio clips. That's all for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, click the subscribe button for more future uploads. And as always, thanks for watching this video and see you around.